which is the ability to reuse column buffers against an Oracle database, so long as that Oracle database is one of the newer versions that supports this feature in the client. One thing you need to be aware of, though, is that the queries you do have to be using the exact same buffers as the preceding query in order for this to work. Otherwise, you'll get all kinds of problems. You could corrupt data, you could blow up your image, bad things could happen. So you want to make sure you test this before you use it, and you want to make sure you're very aware of what you're doing. Having said that, let's go ahead and connect to our database. So I've got my actual admin stuff over here, so I'm going to connect to my database. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a session, and I'm going to go ahead and turn reuse column buffers off, and I'm going to just 100 times go ahead and select data from the database. So let's go ahead and do that and see how long that takes. 980 milliseconds. So it's a little under a second, not a terribly long time, but for 100 queries, it's a fairly decent amount of time. Let's go ahead and reuse the column buffers and see how that works. So we'll do the exact same query. The only difference is we're turning reuse column buffers on, and again, same exact query, so it should be the same exact buffers. Let's go ahead and do it. And you see that there's a fairly decent drop off here, 100 milliseconds, so it's not huge, but it is noticeable. And again, this will depend on things like your network setup, how you've got Oracle installed, and all those kinds of things. So you want to talk to your Oracle admins before you do this kind of thing. But in any case, it's a feature you should be aware of that's coming up in the next release of VisualWorks against more recent versions of Oracle. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with small talk.